Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the reviews in the Joom app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. To open the Joom app and select a product. For example, this watch. If you scroll down, here you can see reviews. If you tap on the right side on this see all button, then you can see all the reviews. If you would like to see just the reviews with 1 star, then tap on 1 star. If you would like to see just with 3 stars, then you can see them by tapping on them. And if you scroll down, you can read, you can see some pictures. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.